Hello, welcome to Order of Operation Lesson 4. My name is Walter. We have the question here we are going to do together. In the brace, 2 divided by, in the parentheses, 6 minus 4 in the parentheses, plus 7 squared in the brace. Take away in the brace, 2 minus -1 in the brace square. We are going to be led by the term PEMDAS, which is going to give us the instruction of what to do. For our question here, we will start with parentheses and we are going to work on the braces first, inside. And here in the braces, and then we are going to work inside first. In the first brace, we have parentheses, which we are going to start with here. So I'm going to start here on 6 minus 4. Now, this will be in the brace 2 divided by 6, take away 4. We got 2. We are going to drop the rest here. That is plus 7 squared in the brace. Take away in the brace 2. Now here we have minus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'll make this as plus, and then I'll change this one to plus also. So we are going to have plus 1 in the brace and then square. Let's go again to PEMDAS. Do we have any parentheses yet? We have brace that we are working on, but in the brace we have exponents. So we are going to work on exponent here. That is 7 squared. Inside the brace, 2 divided by 2 plus 7 squared is 49. In the brace, take away. In this brace here, we are going to add. That is going to be in the brace 2 plus 1, we get 3. But all this one square. Let's go again to PEMDAS. Now in the first brace, we are going to do division. And in the second brace, we have exponent. So we are going to take 3 square. Inside the brace, we are going to start with division. That is 2 divided by 2. We'll get 1 plus 49 in the brace. Take away 3 squared. It is 9. Let's go again to PEMDAS. Let's see the first braces. We don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents. We don't have any multiplication or division. But we have addition. So we are going to add here. That is 1 plus 49. We'll get 50. Take away 9. This will be equal to 41. I hope this question helps. We are going to do more questions on order of operation so as to get the clarity. If you are struggling with fraction, you can check my playlist over here. It will really help you. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.